Hello my beloved sisters, I dedicate this vlog to those who are experiencing heartbreaks. Being heartbroken is not easy because it is not just in your head, it can be physical effects too. When you are brokenhearted, you can experience depression, anxiety, chronic stress, withdrawal from friends, family, and usual activities. And it is hard because you are in a painful situation, presses the heart down for a period of time, where you can have unstable sleep pattern, stress eating, and a lot of what ifs and question inside your mind. That's why I made this video to all of you. I just want you to know you are not alone. You have me, supportive friends, family, and God. Let me prepare a healthy comfort foods for you to help you heal your broken heart. According to what I have read, negative emotions may lead to a feeling of emptiness or an emotional void, and food is a way to fill the void and create a false feeling of fullness. Did you know that eating fast food and sugary snacks will contribute to your feelings of stress and anxiety even more? It doesn't help you at all. It will make you look worse and doesn't help you to move forward. That's why you need to eat healthy comfort foods to get enough nutrients to fuel your body. Lavender known for its mood stabilizing and sedative effects. But did you know it may be as effective as some medication at relieving anxiety? Yes, it is. Banana contains tryptophan, a type of protein that the body converts into serotonin, known to make you relax, improve your mood, and generally make you feel happier. According to Healthline, some research suggests that the flavonols found in dark chocolate may benefit brain function and have neuroprotective effects. In particular, flavonols may increase blood flow to the brain and enhance cell signaling pathways. These effects may allow you to adjust better to the stressful situations that can lead to anxiety and other mood disorders. I also experienced pain, but God restored me. I was hurt in my previous relationship. I remember I felt mixed emotions at that time, and emotions that you cannot explain. I felt numb, hurt, sad, and dying inside, trying to understand what happened in those situations without knowing how. My supportive friends, family, and most of all God who helped me in that season. In that relationship, I felt left hanging because he ended the relationship suddenly and without explanation, withdrawing from all communication, and the rest is history. After a month of healing process, God showed me many things in that relationship, like I don't need to waste my time with a person who doesn't really value me, and I need to protect my peace. After a month of healing process, the red flags that I was so blinded because I was deeply into that relationship, it became my idol. Not listening and disobeying my parents because of some certain things. As a daughter of a king, I have learned I should have a God-centered relationship. A man who will bring me much closer to God, has the same faith as me, a man who loves God more than me. I hope and I pray that this vlog helps you to lessen your hurt. I will make another video how to move forward from breakup. I will see you there, my beloved friends. This is your beloved sister, as Elijah Snow.